What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Wall Street PR. In today's video, I'm going to be going over a company known as SMC Entertainment, and their ticker symbol, as seen in the top left of your screen, is just SMCE. As you guys can currently see, they're trading at 0.04, and they are pretty down from the previous highs up here of about 1 cent per share, 1.7 cents per share. They did pull back alongside the rest of the market. They bounced off the low of 0.035, and they are back up now to 0.044, and they are kind of consolidating in this range. They're kind of in a low volume period, as you guys can see indicated here in the background by these volume bars. I do think they could begin to see some sort of move, some sort of reversal here in the next few days, in the next few weeks. You can see this RSI indicator is starting to curl back up, as well as this MACD indicator, which are both positive signs of a potential bullish or positive reversal. But as always, guys, I'm going to give a brief overview and background on the company and talk about some of the recent catalysts before I break down the charts and give my price target and things like that. So if we take a look over here, you can see this is their official web page or website, just smcentertainment.com, just so you guys can get a brief overview of what it actually looks like right there. And then lastly, I do want to talk about the new article that came out January 31st of 2022. This is their most recent news update, or PR, or whatever you want to call it. It's titled SMC/Genesis Financial announces retirement of an additional 40 million shares from outstanding common shares and provides an audit update. If we take a look down here as well, you can see that the company is an integrated financial technology company, and they are pleased to provide this audit update and announce the cancellation of 40 million common shares from the company's outstanding shares. This cancellation was effective January 25th of 2022 per confirmation correspondence with the company's stock transfer agent. The company is pleased to announce that it has provided its auditor with all the requested documentation to complete the 2019 and 2020 fiscal year financial statements. Fiscal year 2020 financial audit will commence immediately, will be completed shortly. The company's management team and board of directors have decided to audit fiscal year 2020-21 in anticipation of consolidating balance sheets and becoming a fully reporting company, which is some pretty big news, guys. Once they become a fully reporting company, more prospective investors will be more comfortable coming in and investing in the stock, because they are kind of meeting the requirements to be more official and more documented as in terms of a listing company on the stock market exchanges. If you take a look at this as well, you can see this was from January 6th of 2022. SMC and Genesis Financial, a fintech provider of integrated digital financial services, provides fiscal 2021 recap and guidance for the fiscal year of 2022. If we take a look down here, you can see this first bullet point, the closing of its $45 million acquisition of Genesis to transform itself to a boutique premium provider of fully integrated financial technology company with a full suite of digital financial service solutions. And for the first 9 months of 2021, Genesis Australian operations generated gross revenue of approximately $15.7 million, and derived EBT, earnings before tax income, of approximately $1,035,000. And all figures at the time of this posting were, of course, unaudited. And at closing, 56 stockholders of Genesis, representing 95.28% of the common stock of Genesis, have accepted SMC's offer, and it is expected the remaining Genesis stockholders will come on board very soon. So obviously that was fantastic news, guys. Other than that, they don't have too much recent news or catalyst or anything like that, which is why the stock has been kind of flat as of late, just kind of trading and ping-ponging in this range from about 0.035 all the way up to about 0.0057 up there at the high. But in my opinion, guys, if they do get some more good news and deliver on their promises, I do think they could regain some of these highs that they previously saw. You can see they did have higher volume all throughout this period as well, and I do expect a similar move all the way back up there. That's my first price target, all the way up here at 0.07. I think that's a fair value price target, considering that they are much below their previous levels that they traded out throughout the past few months and the past few years. They were at least 0.05 cents per share. Now they're all the way down at 0.044. And I do think they have a lot more potential upside, and they could fill in these gaps and make a move back up. With that said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel, and be sure to only invest what you can afford to lose. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.